In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play a chess game with a friend on chess.com. First, open your web browser and head to chess.com/play. Make sure you're signed in so you can challenge someone directly. If you land on a general homepage, look for the play section and navigate to the playboard view. That's where all your game options live. Being signed in also ensures your preferences, rating, and friends list are available. On the play screen, find the Play a Friend option. You'll typically see it in the popular features area or in the sidebar. Clicking this takes you to the challenge setup flow designed specifically for games with people you know, so you don't have to rely on random matchmaking. Next, choose who you want to play. If you've already added someone to your friends list, you'll see them there and can select their profile right away. If not, use the search field to look up their username. Type carefully and double-check spelling to make sure you're challenging the right person. You can also search first, then add them as a friend later if you'd like, but that's optional for starting a challenge. Now set up the game exactly how you want it. Pick your time control, whether that's a quick bullet game, a classic blitz or rapid, or even a daily game that allows moves over longer periods. If you prefer a classic pace, try 10 minutes. For something faster, go with 3 minutes or add an increment like 3 minutes with a 2-second ad per move. Choose rated if you want the result to impact your chess rating, or unrated for a relaxed, practice-friendly match. You can also select your color preference, white, black, or no preference if you're happy to let the system assign it. When everything looks good, send the challenge. Click Send Challenge to notify your friend directly on chess.com. If you're coordinating outside the site, create a shareable link instead and send it through your preferred messaging app. Your friend will see the exact settings you chose and can accept with a single click. You'll see the challenge as pending until they respond. Once they accept, the board loads immediately and you're ready to play. The clock starts when the first move is made, and that's it. Visit the play page, choose Play a Friend, pick your opponent, set your time and game type, then send the challenge or share the link. Have fun, play fair, and enjoy your match.